Don't that look like a real quarter pounder or what? Now that's a good hamburger. So good. Well, I'm about to cook hamburgers, French fries. You want to know my secret, what I put on my hamburgers, and they're quick, easy, but they taste great. I'll show you my secret. Stick around. Well, I told you I'd tell you what it was. Here it is. I use this from Sam's. Now I know you're thinking, well, those are not great burgers. Well, they are good. If you need something quick and you got to feed some boys real quick, or some girls or kids or whatever, you can cook these up right here. And I'm going to show you what I put on them. This here is my secret sauce. Now, this is a combination of Dale's and just a little bit of water. I mean, I put about this much Dale's and about this much water. The next thing I put on there is Tex-Joy. And the Tex-Joy I put on the burgers once they hit the grill. And they look awesome. They taste awesome. And I put a little pat of butter on there. And I'll show you that here in just a second. Take my butter. Put me a couple pats out here. Once I get my butter on there, then I put my burgers on. Then I put my Tex-Joy on there. I gotta turn my oven on first. Alright, they're all on. And I sprinkle this on there a little lightly. Then I get my butter cutter one more time. And you can get you one of these butter cutters. I got it on Amazon. They work pretty good. Hey, you put a little pat of butter on there. That's it. And these will cook down for just a minute. And then we'll flip them over and we'll get them on the other side. Get that butter going in good on that meat. There. We'll put a little on this side right here. We'll put this up. Keep it in my fridge outside. Turn this down now. It's about time we flatten them out a little bit. Make a good little smash burger out of these. Check the grease over here. We are in the green. We are almost ready to dump that. We're going to get the fries in there. All right, I got my fries in there. Look at that one there, trying to escape. Get out of here. Get your butt back in there. Now, these are not ready to go yet. I'm gonna wait till it gets on up there a little bit more. But the meats is ready to flip. And this time, the Dale's goes on. The Dale's and water mixture, and it just goes on a little bit like this. You just want it to cook in the meat a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. I wish I had smell-o-vision right now. You could really be enjoying this with me. Smell-o-vision. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. Let that cook on that side. Gonna throw it on that other side. Now, as this is cooking, it's really getting in them edges. And that's all it takes is just a little bit. Just two little things of it. One on each side. And we're almost ready right there with them fries. This is gonna make these burgers excellent. And you see, it's not taking long to cook this at all. And what I'll do is I'll scrape this like this. And then I'll take these and flip them over here like that. And then I'll scrape this. And that gives them a little bit of a crisp. You know, it really cooks that flavor into them when you do this. I'll push all of this to the back and let it drain into the drain hole back there in the back. Drop on the fries. Now from right here, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Set our timer. So I got a timer on my watch now. And I will flip these things. You can see right here, that coming out. These are just about ready. Just about ready. These are going to be so juicy and so good, and you're not going to believe they came from Sam's of all places. Now, here's my French fries. Going to shake them up. Shake them up, get them broken loose good. There we go. We got 1:42 seconds. See that temperature drop down? It was on right at close to 375 and it dropped down to that right when I started cooking them. So here we are, we're back over here at the meat. Gonna flip them one more time. And by the time these are ready to take up, the French fries are going to be done, and we're going to be going inside to get something to eat. And this is such an easy, quick, fast meal. And you can feed your boys, your girls, your family, your kids, the people you don't like. You can feed them too because it's cheap. It don't cost that much. But you can feed all the people. Real fast, real easy, and real good. And man, does it smell so good. Woo! I bet my neighbor over there, I bet he's like, oh my gosh, Jay is cooking again. I got one neighbor down the road from me who's a professional cook. And I know he smells it every now and then, but only when the wind's blowing out of the north. Not very often that I'm out here cooking when it's cold. All right, we are done. Gonna take these bad boys up. Put them in my little pan right there that I made. And by the time I get them up, we will be ready. These things are ready. Look at that. That was so fast. Let's turn all this off, because the timer's going crazy. Look at that, done. And we are turned off. We are done. Let's go inside and enjoy now. Thank you guys for watching. And then remember, this is not a expert meal by any means. This is just a fast, quick, good, tasty meal. Thank you for watching.